Hey everybody, we're back at the Neon Museum. We've already done this once during the day a little while ago, 6 months ago. We'll put a link to the nighttime version. We're going during the day, maybe see the signs a little bit better during the day. And as mentioned in the previous video, they do not let you shoot video inside the Neon Museum Boneyard. It's all pictures only, so that's why you're going to see a picture montage once we're inside taking the tour. So we're going to have some fun, go to the Neon Museum, and Miss Annette here is going to take a look, and she's going to get to see some of the old signs. Great history from classic Las Vegas. Even this sign has elements from different signs from the history of Vegas. Let's go take a look at the Neon Museum. So that's the Neon Museum during the daytime. You can see a little bit more of some of the signs, some of the detail during the day. But it was pretty awesome. If you come to Las Vegas, day or night, you have to go check out the Neon Museum, check out a little bit of history. Did you like that?
It was very cool. Very cool.
What was your favorite sign?
The duck.
She likes the duck. People like the duck. And you can see the La Concha Hotel lobby, the shell that they were able to save and transfer over to the museum. So thanks for joining us. Remember, have a good time all the time.